In this video, you'll learn how to swap Solana to USDT using the Phantom wallet. By following these instructions, you will successfully exchange your SOL for USDT in just a few simple steps. To begin, ensure that you have the Phantom wallet installed and open it on your device. Once the wallet is open, you will see the main dashboard displaying your assets and options for managing your tokens. Next, locate and click on the swap button, which is typically found on the main screen of the wallet. This action will take you to the swapping interface, where you can choose the tokens you wish to exchange. In the UPay section, select Sell from the drop-down menu. This specifies that you are using Solana for the transaction. If you do not see SOL listed, you can search for it in the available tokens. In the You Receive section, select USDT. If USDT is not immediately visible, click on the token name to open a search bar. Type in USDT to quickly find and select it from the list of available tokens. After selecting USDT, enter the amount of SOL you wish to swap in the designated input field. Be mindful of the current market rates and any fees that may apply to the transaction, as these can affect the total amount you receive. Once you have entered the desired amount, click on the Review button to proceed. This action will display a summary of the swap, including the amount of SOL being exchanged and the expected amount of USDT you will receive. After reviewing the details, click on the Confirm button to finalize the transaction. Keep in mind that the confirmation may take a moment, depending on network conditions and your internet speed. Once the transaction completes, USDT will appear in your tokens list. You may need to refresh the wallet interface to see the updated balance. Verify that the USDT amount reflects the expected value based on your swap. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.